Getting ready to go into the Middle Tennessee Renaissance Fair here in May of 2024. Heading up into the Renaissance Fair here.
Yeah, because it was one of the only crunchy things, you know what I mean? Because they couldn't do crackers, they couldn't do corn chips, they couldn't do pop.
This is considered the Mermaid's Grotto section of the Renaissance Fair here. People in the Mermaid's Grotto here with their tails.
It is a whale of a tail. It's pretty, it's quite heavy because I have to figure out something.
More sights and sounds of the Tennessee Renaissance Fair here. Just booth after booth after booth. All sorts of shows. Magicians, jugglers. Folks getting ready to do the archery here. Got knife throws, axe throws. Some more shots of the fair here. This is pretty extensive.